Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to remove or add card on Shop app. So the first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, or you can also download the application on your mobile phone. So once you're here, just have to log into your account, okay? And then just tap on your profile at the bottom left corner of your screen. That's right. So this one. Then after that, right here, enter your account. You'd be able to see this add a card to save for all future checkouts. So if you already have your card here, then you'd be able to see that as well. And then I just had to tap on the remove option. Now to add a new card, just tap on the add card option. And then after that, you just have to add here the card number, the card holder name, the expiration date, the security code, the nickname, but this one is optional, and then your billing address. And then after that, you just have to save your card. So you just have to make sure that the details of the card that you're going to input here are all correct. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.